Robot was acclaimed as the jewel on the crown of the manufacturing industry. It has become a critical indicator for measuring the comprehensive strength of a country in science and technology. Plenty of robotic systems have been employed in industrial production lines, replacing workers to complete tasks with high repetition, high risk, and heavy load, continuously creating tremendous production benefits for manufacturing enterprises. With continuous advancements in mechanical engineering, control, and artificial intelligence technologies, an increasing number of applications, including national defense, healthcare, and advanced manufacturing, have put forward urgent demands for robotic applications. However, the performance of existing robotic systems is still limited by sensor precision, repetition accuracy of the systems, and the performance of auxiliary mechanisms. Advancing the performance of robots requires the synergetic development of multiple disciplines, such as mechanical engineering, material science, control theory, intelligent chips, and information science, which significantly limits the broad application of robots owing to the requirement of high investment and a long development cycle. Research on human-inspired intelligent robots, by mimicking their biological structure, behavioral features, intelligent principles, and control mechanisms, will be significant in developing new generation robots. By integrating multiple disciplines of brain science, artificial intelligence, and robotics, research on brain-inspired intelligent robots aims to build brain-inspired information processing algorithms with high computational efficiency and general intelligence, and musculoskeletal systems with high flexibility and strong robustness, laying the foundation for next-generation robot development. The research team of Professor Qiao Hong, Institute of Automation, Chinese Academy of Sciences, reviews cutting-edge research in brain-inspired visual cognition, decision-making, motion control, and musculoskeletal systems. Two software systems and a corresponding hardware system are established, aiming at the verification and applications of next-generation brain-inspired musculoskeletal robots. The review is published in the first issue of Machine Intelligence Research in 2023. Full text is open accessed.